So hello everyone, I hope everyone doing great and fine. So from previous 3-4 videos I have been getting comments like from where you have done your coaching so that you have cleared all the stages of CMA in very first attempt. So that here I am making one detailed video so that because I have seen many people who are struggling with getting coaching classes at a very reasonable price. So that is why here I am presenting you one very detailed video so that it will be definitely useful to everyone. So now let's start. So first point is I have taken my CMA coaching classes from Vedanta Academy that is located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So that is the first point I would like to clarify. For your business I have been providing all the details of Vedanta Academy in the description box so that you can directly contact to them. Third point is I have given a YouTube channel link of Vedanta Academy as well, so that if you want any demo session, for example for post finance, taxation, OMS, and then definitely you can visit first demo session, and after that you can definitely decide about the coaching classes of Vedanta Academy. So that is the point I would like to clarify. So first, after watching entire video, then definitely you can visit the description box so that you will get all the information in the description box. So here I am presenting one video of them so that you watch the video very carefully so that you will get all the information about Vedanta Academy. So now let's start.
Hello friends, this is CMS Sunil Tejwani here. In back 2013, me and my partner CMA Bharat Prajapati has started Vedanta Academy in Ahmedabad with a goal to provide exclusive CMA coaching to our CMA students. At that time, we have started this journey with only 2 students. Right now in 2020-21, we have more than 250 students in a cycle of 6 months. We are able to achieve this growth in number of students just because of our consistent result. You can see on screen the kind of result we have produced in the journey of 7 years. Since last 1.5 years, we are conducting all our batches through Zoom Live with a disciplined schedule. But still, lots of students are requesting us about pre-recorded video lectures, and they are continuously asking us, "Sir, why your academy is not available in video mode?" Believe me, there is only one reason behind that as an organization, we strongly believe that conventional classroom teaching is far better than video lectures. Because when we discuss concept in classroom, most of the time we go beyond books and we feel that is the correct value addition for you. And the bond which you create with your friends in conventional classroom is missing in video lectures. Anyways, we are in new normal, so we have to accept all changes and work accordingly. So for that, we are coming with a pre-recorded video lecture for CMA Final Group 3 students. And believe me, in launching offer and considering this pandemic situation, that entire Group 3 video lectures are available to you at very reasonable price. I am not sure about the exact price, that will be decided by our system based on the test marks that you are going to appear before joining this course. But it can be even 20,000 for entire Group 3, 15,000, 10,000, or even it can be 0. Yes, my dear friends, you can get all Group 3 video lecture at a free of cost. For demo lecture, you can subscribe our YouTube channel, that is CMA Factory, and for further information, you can contact us on given number. Before concluding, I just want to say that don't purchase CA course for your CMA examination. It will surely create mess for you. Thank you for watching.
So I hope everyone is clear with the question that why I have chosen a Vedanta Academy for my CMA coaching, because they are not providing only bookish knowledge, they are going beyond the books. For example, for me, direct taxation and law and SFM are favorite subject, because I have seen many people who are struggling with the law and direct tax and SFM, but for me, law, direct tax and SFM are my favorite subject, because they have provided, I know they have provided me a very enough knowledge in all the subjects so that I got a 70 marks in CMA Inter Law, 70 marks in CMA Inter Direct Tax, 78 marks in CMA Final Direct Tax, 57 marks in CMA Final Law, because they have provided me not only basic knowledge, but they have provided me all the knowledge that is required to clear examination, as well as that may be definitely useful in our future endeavors as well. So that is why I have chosen the Vedanta Academy, and I am giving you a personally guarantee that if you are going to get the classes of Vedanta Academy, then definitely you will get some extra benefits that the others are getting. So definitely you may visit the website of the YouTube channel link of the Vedanta Academy, and you can contact to them if you want to get any coaching classes for CMA Foundation, Inter and Final as well. So I hope you are getting all the stuff what I am trying to say here. So stay tuned for all the updates and information, and thank you, bye bye, and take care and all the best for your examination.